Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a ton of dice rolls in Monopoly Go, no jailbreak or computer needed. So let me just show you guys what's going on in my account, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for the game to go ahead and load right here as you guys can see, and you're going to see the magic. So this is super insane, guys, so let me just go ahead and show you guys. So as you can see, my resources are going up like crazy, so I'm going to show you guys how to get a ton completely for free, guys. So just keep watching the video, and it is going to work for you. This is super cool. And I can't even believe it, guys. So yeah, this is super crazy. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So what you want to do, guys, is go over to this website, dicegratis.com. So this is the site where we can become rich. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So dicegratis.com. So once you're on the site, guys, what you want to do is just go ahead and choose how much money in dice rolls you want to add to your account. So you can go for the max or whatever amount you feel is great. But as you can see, we got recent activity in here, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and do this right here. So I'm just going to select the dice rolls and the money. So anyways, guys, now it is going to ask us for our username, and we need to go ahead and select our platform. So let me just go ahead and put in my username right here, as you guys can see. And I'm just going to go ahead and press proceed. And now we're just going to wait for it to load, guys. So it's going to ask us how much we want, and then we just have to go ahead and press generate. So I'm just going to wait for it to load right here, as you guys can see. All right, connected successfully. User verification. Okay, so anyways, guys, before we can get the resources, we do have to do a verification. So you want to go ahead and press verify, and all we got to do is download. So I'm not sure for which, but I'm going to open it up. And as you can see, guys, oh my gosh, they're going up like crazy. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out about this method. I'm blown away. It actually works, guys, but it does. Super, super cool. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it and just get the word out about this method, because it actually works, guys. So it's super crazy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself, guys. I'm going to see you later, and peace out.